Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 coverages that fleet washing businesses need to at least be aware of to protect their business. And then I'm going to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the best fleet washing business insurance. But before we get into it, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a quick like, as it helps to push these kinds of videos to other business owners like yourself who find this content valuable. Okay, so now the first coverage that you want to think of for your fleet washing business is going to be general liability. So this is going to be your slip, trip, and fall situations. If someone comes onto the actual job site and gets hurt, this is going to cover third-party bodily injury and property damage, and it's usually the first coverage that you think of when purchasing business insurance. Next is going to be customer property protection, also known as garage liability. So this is coverage for your customers' property. This is going to be coverage for their actual vehicles while in your care while you're doing your operations. So let's say that a customer claims that you damaged their new paint job, or that you damaged a fleet vinyl wrap while washing their trucks. This is going to help protect you and your business from damaging or faulty workmanship to your customers' actual vehicles. Next is garage keepers. So this is going to be coverage, third-party property damage coverage to your customers' actual vehicles, but this is going to include coverage for fire, theft, and vandalism, things of that nature, but it does not include faulty workmanship. That was the coverage that I spoke of prior. So you definitely want to consider both of these coverages as an add-on to make sure that you block additional risk. Next is going to be commercial auto. So this is going to be super important because you likely have business vehicles going from job site to job site, or you have business vehicles registered in your business name. So you definitely want to have commercial auto pretty straightforward. Now, last but certainly not least is going to be workers' compensation insurance. So if you have employees or even subcontractors that you're managing on the job, you definitely want to get workers' comp, because the state is going to possibly audit you, and they're going to be looking for payments that were made, work that was performed, and where workers' compensation was not in place. So you definitely want to make the investment into workers' comp as soon as you can. Now that you know the 5 coverages that are going to fully protect your fleet washing business, I want to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the best business insurance. And the next steps to coverage is as simple as a few clicks below.